Imagine your life with not just one, two, but five diverse streams of income, each paying you up to $1,600 every single day. Get ready to unlock the secrets to building a powerhouse brand that screams success. How can you create multiple passive income streams and elevate your brand to new heights? Today, we'll answer these burning questions and guide you through the process step by step. I've dedicated years to perfecting these strategies, but with the magic of AI, you can achieve similar results in mere months. Plus, stay tuned for a game-changing website setup tutorial using amazing software designed to activate your income streams effortlessly. Let's dive in! Have you ever considered unlocking multiple streams of income? Maybe you're intrigued by the idea but unsure where to start. Well, fear not, because today, I'm here to guide you. Every adventurer needs a reliable companion, and in our case, it's Hostinger. Opting for the right hosting plan is same as selecting the perfect gear for your expedition. With options aplenty, it's essential to choose wisely, aligning your budget and aspirations. Once you've chosen your plan, it's time to claim your perks. From free domains to SSL certification, Hostinger has your back, setting the stage for your online success. Now let's start with an important step. Step 1. Have you ever thought about the impact of choosing the perfect domain for your online business? Perhaps you're passionate about establishing a solid online branding, but the idea of selecting the right domain seems challenging. Well, fear not, because in this step, I will guide you through the important process without revealing the main topic just yet. Let me share a little story with you. Picture this. You're embarking on your journey to create a digital company. You understand the significance of a professional website to showcase your brand and drive sales. But wait, what about the domain name? It's not just an address. It's your online identity, your brand's essence. That's where the story begins. Now let's dive into the heart of today's content. We're talking about choosing the perfect domain name. I'll walk you through the entire process from brainstorming ideas to securing your domain. Let's say you're into selling eyeglasses which blocks blue light. Then maybe Block Blue Light brand name fits you. That's not just a random selection. It's a strategic choice to embody the solution to the problem in your branding. So, how do you secure your domain? It's simpler than you think, and you don't need to be a registered company to get started. Here's how. Number 1. Go to Hostinger. Number 2. Navigate to the menu and select Claim Your Domain. Number 3. Enter your chosen domain name, like wealthwiseinnovations.com, to check its availability. If it's available, great. Proceed to reserve it. Number 4. If your desired .com domain isn't available, don't worry. You can explore other extensions or even connect an existing domain if you have one. Number 5. Select whether you're creating a personal website or one for an organization or company, depending on your needs. Number 6. Fill out the registration template, including your postal code or zip code. Remember, for those outside the US, use the appropriate postal code for your location. Number 7. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Finish Registration to secure your domain. Number 8. With your domain registered, you can now proceed with setting up your website and unleashing your online presence. And that's how you create your perfect domain. Step 2. Now, have you ever felt the urge to launch your own website but got stuck in the technical details? Maybe you're passionate about a certain topic and want to share it with the world, or perhaps you've got a product or service you believe can make a difference. Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to simplify the process for you, making it easier than ever to get your website up and running without breaking a sweat. You have this brilliant idea for an online business. You've got the concept, the drive, but you're not exactly a tech whiz. That's where I come in. Today, I'm going to walk you through the whole process of creating your website step by step. So here's the deal. We'll be using a platform that's perfect for beginners, the Hostinger Website Builder. It's user-friendly and requires zero coding skills. Trust me, you'll be amazed by how simple it is. First off, we'll choose our website type. For this demonstration, let's go with an online store. But don't worry, I'll also show you how to seamlessly integrate a blog later on. Now, on to the fun part, building your website. With just a few clicks, we'll select our domain name and start creating our online presence. Next, we'll describe our business. Nothing fancy, just a few overview of what we're about. In this case, Block Blue Light, an innovative company focused on products that help eye care and consulting to help others achieve financial freedom. Customization time. You can personalize your website with different styles and colors. But for now, let's keep it simple and select Surprise Me. And voila! In less than a minute, we've got ourselves a professional-looking website complete with an online store option, placeholders for images, and even AI-generated text tailored to our business. But wait, there's more. This website also includes a contact form, newsletter subscription option, and social media media links, all essential elements for engaging with our audience. Step 3. Now, do you have a thought about refining your website to reflect your brand better? Perhaps you've got a burning desire to revamp it, but lack the technical know-how. Don't worry, I've got your back. You've got your website up and running, but it feels like it's missing that personal touch. That's where customization comes into play. Imagine effortlessly tweaking your site to perfection, starting with something as simple as your logo. With just a few clicks, you can upload your own logo or let an AI generator craft one for you, tailored to your style and vision. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty details. From resizing image to adding new selections like a blog, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? It's all done seamlessly through a user-friendly interface, saving you both time and headaches. But here's the real kicker. By enhancing your website, you're not just enhancing its aesthetics, you're also elevating your brand identity. Think about it. Having a professional email address linked to your domain adds legitimacy and credibility to your online presence. And that's the secret sauce to setting up your branding online. Step 4. Now, let's discuss the most awaited part of your online journey: generating income streams. Have you ever pondered how to earn money through your website brand? You've got your website up and running, a solid foundation laid. But what's next? It's time to harness the power of your digital presence and turn it into a money-making machine. How? By exploring various income avenues that align with your expertise and interests. First off, we'll delve into the world of e-commerce, where your website becomes your storefront. Think selling physical or digital products. But wait, there's more. We'll also tap into the digital world of services, offering valuable expertise to your audience. Now, here's where it gets exciting. With the right platform like Hostinger, you can seamlessly integrate over 20 payment options, making transactions smooth for customers worldwide. Curious about setting up your online store? It's a piece of cake. Just follow along as we navigate through the process. From naming your store to adding products and services, we'll cover it all. And that's how you pave the way to financial success using these strategies. Step 5. Let me introduce you to a top-rated business: dropshipping. Unlike other pricey solutions, dropshipping lets you launch your online store without breaking the bank. Picture this: you select amazing products, set up your website, and voila! Your store is up and running. But wait, it gets even better. With dropshipping, you can make money while you sleep. How? When your customers make a purchase, the wholesaler takes care of shipping, customer service, and returns. All you have to do is sit back and watch your income grow. And the best part? You can set it up alongside your existing online store. Step 6. A journey from zero to hero in the online business world. Imagine owning an online store with zero transaction fees. Every cent you earn is yours to keep. Sounds like a dream, right? But with Hostinger, it's a reality. No more fretting over hefty platform charges eating into your profits. Now let's talk numbers. 6 products a day, $50 each, that's $300 daily. Add 3 services at $100 each and voila, another $300. But hey, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your empire. It takes consistency and a killer marketing strategy. Next up, blogging, a powerful tool to connect with your audience. With Hostinger, setting up your blog is a breeze. Imagine raking in $300 daily from ad revenue alone. But wait, there's more. Affiliate marketing, a lucrative avenue to explore. By promoting products you believe in, you can earn hefty commissions, potentially $300 a day. These methods will require months of hard work to start earning. But if you want to learn how to earn money just by listening to videos and writing them down, no experience required, you can withdraw on time. You might want to check out some of our videos. I'll see you around.